Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. So, dear students, let us start today's topic. So that is the useful animals, name of the lesson, and today we are going to discuss the topic how animals help us. See students, in the previous video we discussed about the domestic animals. Now what is meant by the domestic animals? Domestic animals means that the animals which we kept at farm, at home or in the farm. The animals which we kept at home and in the farm, okay, and they are very useful to us. Such animals are called as domestic animals. Okay, in that we discuss how the animals help us. Okay, so first point we saw that the animals like cow, buffaloes and goats gives us milk, and from the milk we can get the milk products such as curd, dahi, cheese, butter, etc. So next thing is that we get the eggs from the ducks and the hen. So okay, and we get meat from the goat and the hen. So and we get honey or wax tender from the beehive. Also we saw that we get silk from the silkworm, and with the help of silk we can make kurtas and the saris and the different types of clothes. So now from sheep also we get the wool, and with the help of wool we can make not we but the blankets are made using the wool, or the sweaters or the warm clothes which we generally use in the winter season. So let us discuss the next point. Now you have to open page number 29. See student, this page, now this point I am going to discuss with you. So see, the skin of animals. See, skin means like suppose this is my skin. So such type. So skin of some animals like sheep, goat, okay, buffalo, camel, snake and crocodile is used to make leather. Okay, now see what is mean by leather. So leather means what? Okay, so see, leather means it is the skin of an animal which they make which they purifies them. It goes in the factory. Okay, they do many procedure on that skin, and they make leather from the skin of animals. Okay, so see, this is the new word for you, leather. Okay, so the leather is made up of the skin. It is made from the skin of animals such as sheep, goat, buffalo, camel, snake and crocodile. With the help of leather, we can, not we, but the slippers, shoes, yes, and the purses and the bags are made up with the help of leathers. So see, now leather is used to making shoes, belts, jackets and bags. So see, the pictures are here. So see, shoes, belt, jacket and bags are made using the leather. Okay, so now say there is a go great point that say no. Okay, we have to say no, means we should not going to use this thing. What? To leather products, as they are made from the skin of animals. Many animals are killed for this purpose. If, see students, what happens if we will use more leather products like bags and purses and shoes, and okay, so the demand will be more than the owner of the factory. Yes, that if he will get the more demands, so he will need more leather, and if he will need leather, so the animals they have to kill some animals. So it is not good. According to our environment also, we should save the animals. Like we should save the trees, we should also save the animals, because they are the part of nature. Yes, so we should protect the animals. So we should say no, means we should not use the leather products as well. So see, now open the page 30 and look at carefully. Some animals like elephant, horse, camel and donkey and ox are used to carry heavy loads. They are also used to carry people from one place to another. Means for example, the animals, which are these animals? So see, like elephant, okay, horse, camel and ox. So see, elephant, ox, donkey, okay, these animals are used to carry heavy loads, and some animals are also used to carry people also. So see now how pet help us. So next point is how pets help us. How pets help us. This is our next point. How pets help us. So see, animals like dog, cat, parrot and fish live with us in our homes, and these animals are called pets. See the pictures are there. So see, you have to observe the pictures very carefully. So dog, cat, parrot and fish. Dog, cat, parrot and fish. These are the animals which live with us in our home, and these are the animals which help us in many ways. For example, dog guard our house, and the cat chases away the mouse. Okay, and in this way cat and dog help us. Okay, so these are the pet animals. Now say revise and recall column is there. Okay, so see, circle the product which we do not get from the milk. So see, I am going to write this question on the board. So see, circle the product which we do not get from milk. So question number 1. What are the options? Cheese, okay, then ghee, then honey, then curd. Okay. See, this is the question number 1. This is the question number 2. So see, so cheese do we get from the milk? Yes. Now ghee do we get from the milk? Yes. Now honey do we get from the milk? No. Honey we get from the hive, and curd we get from the milk. So circle the product which we do not get from the milk is the honey. Okay. So what is the second question? Circle the animal that gives us wool. Okay. So let us write the options. Hen, elephant, horse, sheep. Elephant, horse and sheep. So come on, discuss what is the question. Question is circle the animal that gives us wool. So hen gives us wool? No. Elephant gives us wool? No. Horse gives us wool? No. Sheep gives us wool? Yes. So I am going to circle this. Sheep gives us wool. Wool means, you know, the thread. Okay, the threads which you have to observe your sweater, so you will understood that. Or you can ask your mama to show me the wool. Okay, so that wool we get from the sheep, and with the help of wool we can whatever the sweaters we wear, that is made up of wool. Now there is one column. You have to open page number 31. Let's say together. So you have to say with me. So see, we will write these words also. Okay. These are the new words for you. Okay. So see, the words are, you have to say, listen. Domestic, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic. Say animals. Say domestic animals. Then pet animals. Pet animals. See. Now milk. You have to say after me. Eggs. Okay. Meat. Now to learn all these spellings properly. Silk. Next, leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. Honey. Wax. Wool. So in this way you have to learn all these words. Okay, we will repeat the words. So say domestic animals, pet animals, milk, meat, eggs, silk, leather, honey, wax and wool. So in this way you have to read these new words. So see, now keywords are there. So I am going to explain you. So see, you have to observe here. Okay, on page number 31. So see, domestic animals means the animals that are kept at home and in the farms are called as domestic animals. Now pet means what? The animals that are kept in our homes, okay, are called as pets. Now summary. We will summarize the lesson. So see, point number 1 is that the animals that are kept at home and in the farms are called as domestic animals. So whatever the points we discuss in the lesson number 3, that is the useful animals, we are going to summarize the complete lesson. Number 2, we get milk from the animals such as cow, goat and buffalo. Now we get eggs from the hen and duck. Number 4, we get meat from the goat, okay, and fish and hen also. Next, number 5, honey and wax are obtained from the beehives. Number 6, we get silk from the silkworms. Number 7, we get wool from the sheep. Number 8, we get leather from the skin of animals like sheep, goat, buffalo, camel, snake and crocodile. Okay students. Now number 9, some animals like horse, camel, elephant, donkey and ox carry heavy loads and also carry people from one place to another. Okay. Now number 10 and the last point is the animals that can be kept in our homes are called pets. The animals that can be kept in our homes are called as pets. So in this way we finish our lesson number 3. Okay. So in the next video I will take the exercise of the lesson number 3, useful animals. So till that time, what is your duty? You have to read the complete lesson properly. You have to write it down the new words that I will send you. Okay, and you will write the new words properly. You will write the meanings also, and summary also you have to learn. Okay, you have to read it properly. So this is your PH that you have to read the complete dot part up to the exercise. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and take care of you. Bye.